guys, welcome to my channel. Jazzie here. In today's video, I'll be bringing you guys another hair review for these bundles I currently have installed. Now, these bundles were sent to me from VRBESTHAIR, and I just wanted to come here quickly and share my experience with you guys. So this way, if you're thinking about purchasing some hair from this company, you guys will kind of know my own experience, and that'll help you make your decision if you want to purchase hair through them or not. So if this is something you're interested in watching, please stay tuned for the video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. It would really warm my heart to have one more subscriber, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video you won't miss out on any of my content. Alright, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into this review. So I'm currently rocking Brazilian straight bundles, and I was sent a 20-inch ear-to-ear lace frontal. I was also sent a 20-inch bundle, a 24, a 26, and a 28-inch bundle. And currently I have all four bundles dang near sewn in. I have just like a little bit of shy of all four bundles, but for the most part I have all the hair installed, and as you guys can see, it looks really full, but I don't necessarily use four bundles plus a frontal. So that is something I wanted to come on here and mention to you guys. Another thing I wanted to mention is when I first got this hair, I went ahead and I colored it jet black. And after I colored it jet black, I went ahead and I just sewn it in with a traditional sew-in. So basically I just had like a little bit of hair left out. And I rocked that for about 2 weeks, and I just was quickly realizing I needed to have all of my hair braided up. So I went ahead and I braided all of my hair up, and I went ahead and did this full sew-in. I have no hair left out, and I went ahead and I installed the frontal. And I must say, I think the frontal turned out really well. Today I parted it on the side with the little baby hairs, but normally I've been wearing it down the middle. I'm pretty sure in my previous videos you guys have seen me wearing the hair down the middle with some curls. If you guys haven't checked out my recent video on the tutorial showing you guys how I achieved the Carly Bible inspired hairstyle, I'll leave it somewhere in the card section right now so that way you guys can check it out if you're interested. When I was wearing the hair in a traditional sew-in, I had it really long. It was a lot longer than what it is right now, and I was quickly realizing that the hair was getting tangled really easily, and I thought it had something to do with the length. So like I told you guys, the longest length I had was a 28-inch, and I wound up cutting like 4 inches off of this hair. So it's really not all that long anymore, and it has a lot to do with the hair tangling a lot. On top of the hair tangling, the hair shedded a lot, you guys, and I'm not over exaggerating when I say a lot. I brought this hairbrush so I can show you guys how much hair I was actually shedding. This is just after what I did on this hair today to achieve this hairstyle. Now, I had to wash this hair today just for the simple fact that when this hair is dirty, it does not hold a style whatsoever. It doesn't matter if you're gonna wear the hair straight or if you're gonna wear it curly. If the hair is dirty, it's just gonna look a hot mess. It's gonna be really tangly and it's gonna shed a lot. So I had to wash the hair today because I wanted it to look really nice for the review. And you guys, when I tell you, I could not blow dry this hair without it tangling, without me getting like a lot of single strand knots, and I was like really surprised. The hair felt like it was synthetic hair, almost like beauty supply store hair. Even though this is 100% virgin human hair, it still felt really funny when I was trying to blow dry it today, and I feel like that's why I have a lot of hair in this brush, and I know how to brush hair, especially blow dry hair. So I'm not too sure why it was doing that, but I was noticing throughout the whole time of me wearing this hair for like the past 4 weeks, it was doing a lot of this. So I had to wash the hair a total of 3 times in between my 2 installations, and I used my Hair Infinity shampoo on this hair twice, and then I used the OGX Brazilian keratin shampoo on it once. And I noticed with this hair, you guys, it really needs some TLC. It really needs like some handling on this hair. This is not low maintenance hair. This is actually high maintenance hair. If I wanted to wear the hair curled, I would actually have to use flexi rods before curling the hair, because if I just tried to curl the hair with it being straight, it wasn't gonna hold a curl, and no matter how much hairspray I used, it just still wasn't gonna hold a curl. So actually guys, this hairstyle took me 4 hours to do today. I'm giving you guys the real tea. Like, it took me forever. I had to wash this hair, and I don't like like washing my full sew-ins in the shower just because I feel like I never know if my hair is gonna get wet, and I just don't want to run that type of risk. Plus, I don't wash my real hair in the shower, so it was just more comfortable for me to wash the hair out of the shower. So that's what I did, and when I washed the hair, it felt really stiff. And throughout the periods of me washing the hair previously, it's always felt like that, but when I was blow drying the hair, it really felt stiff, and it really felt like I was just brushing straw. And I was putting oil on this hair, and I was finding myself using a lot of my higher end products for my real hair on this hair, and like, I'm not here for that at all. I was using my Chi, I was using my It's a 10, I used my Care, and I also used my Hair Infinity on this hair today. And basically, you guys, after I washed it, I blow dried it till it was like 75% dry, and I went ahead and I put some flexi rods in this hair, and I sat under a hooded dryer for like 2 hours. And when I took the flexi rods out, you guys, this hair was a hot mess. It was a hot mess, and I had to comb the hair out from start to finish, and it just looked like a poof. I have never, ever have I had bundles that looked like this before. I wish I would have taken a picture, but I didn't. But you guys, the hair just was a hot mess, and I'm so happy I was able to get it like this, because from what it started at after I took those flexi rods out to what it looks like now, it looks 110% better. So I've been having some issues with this hair, as you guys can tell, just by styling it. It always gives me problems, and I feel like when I wear this hair straight, it looks super duper thin. I also wanted to mention to you guys, when I was watching the hair shed, as you know, I was like seeing it in my brushes and stuff on the floor, in my sink, I would see a lot of the times the shed hair would be in clusters. So I'm not sure if you guys know what clusters are, but it's basically like a whole bunch of hair follicles on one knot. So basically that's what I was seeing a lot of, and I was like really concerned because it wasn't like one strand or two strands that I was losing at a time. I was losing like 10, 11, or 12 strands in one cluster at a time. So I'm not too sure why they were coming out in bulk like that. But when I show you guys this brush, I just can't even get over this, because this is after just doing my hair today. So I know you guys can only imagine what my brush has looked like over the past 4 weeks. Okay, like, I'm just saying that. So that pretty much wraps up my review for this video, you guys. I really did enjoy the experience of this hair after it grew on me, but for the most part, I still feel like this hair is very high maintenance. It does shed a lot, and it does need a lot of TLC. You do have to apply a lot of products in this hair, and you do have to put out a little extra work for your styles to come out looking halfway decent. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was very helpful and very informative. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or any comments, like always, leave them down in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in my next video.